In previous lecture, we see examples of double integration using Cartesian coordinates. In this lecture, we study about double integration in polar coordination, how we use double integration when given us polar coordination. So, see one example using polar coordinates. Evaluate double integration over r square d theta dr over the area of the circle r equal to a cos theta. So this is the area of the circle. For draw the diagram, first we convert it in Cartesian form. So now, given that we have our region r is r equal to a cos theta, then our multiply by r in both sides. So we get here r into r equal to a into r cos theta. Then put x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Then our x square plus y square equal to r square. So here we put x square plus y square, that implies x square plus y square equal to r cos theta is our x, ax. That implies x square minus ax plus y square equal to 0. That implies x square minus 2 into x into a by 2 plus a by 2 square plus y square, that is equal to a by 2 whole square. Then we get x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus 0 square equal to a by 2 square. That is our equation 1, which is a circle whose center is a by 2 and 0 is the center of the circle and radius is a by 2. So we draw the diagram in Cartesian form, whose center is a by 2 0 and radius is a by 2. So that is our x-axis and this one is our y-axis. This is our 0 0 and here center is a by 2 0. So this is our a by 2 0 and radius is a by 2. That is our radius. Then we draw a circle. This is our region. Here our question is find the double integration over r square d theta dr over the area of the circle r equal to a cos theta. So we find this much area. So this is our center, this radius is our a by 2 and this is our region. We draw a line, that is our L. For finding the region of polar coordinates, we draw a line like that. Then we solve the problems. For find the area between the circle, first we put r equal to 0. First we draw the line, then put r equal to 0. Then our r is a cos theta. So a cos theta equal to 0. That implies cos theta equal to 0 and theta is our pi by 2. So our r is from 0 to this circle is r cos theta. This circle. So our r is from 0 to r cos theta and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. So theta is our 0 to pi by 2 and r is from 0 to a cos theta. That is our a cos theta. R equal to 0 to a cos theta. This circle is our a cos theta. So next we find double integration over r square d theta dr. So our integration's limit is r is from 0 to a cos theta and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. R square d theta dr. Then first we integrate with respect to r, then we integrate with respect to theta. So integration from theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, integration r equal to 0 to a cos theta, r square dr into d theta. That is theta is from 0 to pi by 2, r square is our r cube by 3 and r's limit is from 0 to a cos theta d theta. So we take 1 by 3 outside. So theta is from 0 to pi by 2, r cube a cube cos cube theta, and when r equal to 0 then the value vanishes d theta. Then our a cube goes outside, a cube by 3, integration from theta is from 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta. So that equal to a cube divided by 3, integration theta is from 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta d theta. That is equal to a cube by 3. We put reduction formula in this. So our reduction formula for this is n equal to 3 and 3 is odd. So that will be 3 minus 1 divided by 3. That is equal to a cube divided by 3 into 2 by 3. So that is 2a cube divided by 9. Here we find the region of one part, that is 0 to pi by 2. For this part we will multiply by 2. So we have the full region of the circle. So here now double integration over r square d theta dr, that is equal to 2 into 2a cube by 9. That is our 4a cube divided by 9. So this is our result, 4a cube divided by 9. Where we find area of the circle using polar coordinates, that is r and theta. So here we know how to find area of the circle using polar coordinates. When their region will be polar coordinate, then how we evaluate the double integration. So any doubt in this session, you ask me in comment section. Thank you students.